The heck lah, I was about to park. Ever thought of other people around? Huh? Think lah, think. There's other people here. Morning itself. Hello. Yeah, I know. I understand lah. It's not my fault lah. Okay, I just tell him 5 minutes lah. I'll be there. Okay. These people lah. Okay. I just came. I saw a parking and this fella came out of nowhere. Came and parked. I got no parking right now. Okay, wait. I said I will be there. Wait, can I? Just wait. I'll be there. Okay, I'll be there. Akka, why don't you put your shoes over there? Can you just let me be? But Amma was cold. Akka, please lah. Why, Ma? What happened? Enachi? I don't know, Amma. I really don't know. Ma, what happened? Ma, enachi? Yaa appadi kathra? What happened?
Nothing lah.
How many roti you want? I'm not going to cook roti now.
I am not vegetarian. Can you go away?